It was nice seeing you again, Chris.
Nice seeing you too, Vanessa.
You seem to be in a very good mood.
Well, now I am. Your brother? You need to tell me a little bit more about him.
Like what?
Like birth sign, what he likes, what he doesn't like. Does he have a girlfriend?
Um, he's Scorpio. Him like well, other man like and yeah, him have a girlfriend.
Oh, we can fix that. But he's Scorpio and he likes what other men likes. Can you narrow that down a little bit?
Suppose you talk to him about them things there.
Come on, Tonian. We're friends. I mean, you have to hook up.
You sure you don't want to give yourself more time before you?
Okay. At least you can tell me when he's gonna be here, or when he's gonna be here for a while.
You done talk to him outside. Look away, not true. You don't learn nothing.
Well, he doesn't seem to have enough time, although I'm trying to find myself a personal fitness trainer.
When since? And as me start show you two dance move your boss.
That's why, Tonian, I need somebody to get me fit and keep me fit.
You know what? Me not go. It seems like, well, you know, just for work.
Oh, today was for me. It's my me day.
Oh, dial up and go out?
It's just that I couldn't find anywhere else to go, so I thought, let me come here.
Yeah, about that. If you're going to come here, just call me the day before.
Okay, I get that. We all have boundaries. I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry. It's just that I like prepare myself when I have friends coming over.
Okay. I understand completely.
You know, feel no way, right?
Yeah, I totally understand.
Something about you?
I'm gonna show you something.
Murder reported in St. Elizabeth since the start of 2025, and the nature of the incident has left the residents disturbed. A brother turned on his sister, Brittany Hicks, and it took her life at this house they shared. It is reported he has mental issues and has been trying to engage in intimate relations with his sister for weeks. She refused those advances, and he became violent and attacked her with a machete. The brutal attack happened around 7 Friday evening and was discovered sometime later by an older relative. Residents are outraged.
You know her?
No. But a young lady that I know literally went through a similar situation, dealing with someone of unsound mind. And then this whole thing with Price. It just makes me it makes me wonder if it's all connected.
What me want to know is when they realize their man here is of unsound mind.
That's what I want to know too. Whatever happened to the community raising the child, protecting the child? Whatever happened to community policing, community teachings? Are they from the community? Are they not?
It's sad. And them incident here is almost back to back.
And they're targeting females between the age, what, 13, 14, and 20? And in this case, it's her own brother. Her own brother.
The news say him have mental issue, right? Nobody never realized that. The community never realized that. The family never realized that.
Exactly my point. But we've become so reactive that we just react after the tragedy. All the comments and everything is just in hindsight.
This is something where we have to address. Because somebody must see or know before it even happen.
Oftentimes, someone knows something, but they don't want to say anything because they don't want to be judged or they don't want to be seen as a dysfunctional family. I mean, how do you say to someone, my son is trying to sleep with his sister?
You know how if you say it? Open your mouth and say it. We have covered too much things because of pride.
And now, a young lady who was studying to be a teacher is dead by the hands of her own brother.
And the sad thing is, we might go to a funeral and ball out them yay. The family, the community, feel her.
And look at the case of Price Johnson. In her home, sleeping in a space where it's supposed to be her sanctuary, and someone breaks in, assaulted her, and bashed her head in. When is this going to stop? How is this still going on?
So this is another case of unsound mind. And nobody never know that before?
They claim he's not from the community.
And nobody never know whether you two come from, where am I doing in the community? And if I remember correctly, me say I pull people door.
And that came after the incident. Again, we're very reactive.
What kind of program you think we can put in place to deal with them kind of something here?
It starts with education. We need to be educating people about the effectiveness and the power of therapy.